So here I was working on a Audi, I think it was an A7, like a 2017, and the customer complaint was that they just did the brakes on it, and it was still telling them that they needed brake pads. On the instrument cluster, if it needs brake pads, it'll tell you, brake pads. It'll just say brake pads. And what happened was the brake pads were good. They changed out only the brake pads. I think they put a new sensor, and this is what a sensor in the front is supposed to look like, the connector. And I checked the connector in the back too, and as you can see, there's a little bit of green right there. I don't know if this is common. I don't really work on Audis that much, but the rear connector was just really corroded, and it looked like the terminals were spread open pretty bad. So if you have this problem where you've replaced your brake pads, make sure those terminals are they're not corroded and they're not spread. Now, I mean, these look pretty damn bad. I don't know what happened here, but the customer, apparently their son worked on it, so whatever. If you want to replace just the connector, you can do that too. Because if you don't, you got to replace the whole thing, kind of like here, where it gives you a whole wiring harness. And you don't have to do it. You can replace just the connector. And to replace just the connector, you do have to cut some of this rubber back to splice in a new connector. But it's not that bad. You can just split it in the middle, put in your new connector, and just tape it all back up with electrical tape. So if you have any questions, just let me know and I'll try to help you out.